You've noticed clover spreading rapidly throughout your lawn, taking over precious grass. This nuisance weed can be difficult to control and manage. Many homeowners believe clover is easy to remove, but improper techniques can actually worsen the problem. Clover is more resilient than you think. The best time to treat clover is in early spring, when it's actively growing. Waiting until summer can make it nearly impossible to eradicate. Not all herbicides are created equal. Using the wrong product can damage your grass or fail to fully eliminate clover. Selecting the appropriate herbicide is crucial. Regular lawn aeration can greatly improve the effectiveness of your clover control efforts. This simple task allows herbicides to penetrate the soil better. After treating clover, overseeding your lawn with grass seed can help fill in bare patches and prevent future clover growth. Timing is key for best results. The healthier your lawn, the less opportunity clover has to take hold. Proper mowing, watering, and fertilizing practices are essential for a lush, green lawn. There are several types of clover, each with slightly different growth habits. Knowing which species you're dealing with can help you choose the best control method. Reclaim your lawn from the clover invasion by downloading our comprehensive guide. Discover proven strategies to eliminate clover for good and maintain a healthy, lush lawn.